And the rope early lead is taken by Shirley Sword from the outside, and by the rail is Manila Style and Risk Taker moving up in between horses. Power Gear, Diamond Magic, and Andorra is bringing up the rear. And at the mid-back stretch, it's Power Gear, Charlie Sword on the outside. It's Risk Taker now in the lead, followed by Manila Style by the rail. On the outside is Charlie Sword, Diamond Magic, and Power Gear. And nearing the far turn, at the far turn, it's still Risk Taker in the lead, followed by Charlie Sword on the outside. And here comes Diamond Magic moving up on the farther outside, and entry number 1, Manila Style. And here comes Power Gear. And the last bend for home, Charlie Sword and Diamond Magic moving up on the farther outside. Risk Taker by the rail, and Power Gear now moving up on the farther outside. And into the home stretch, Diamond Magic on the outside, Risk Taker by the rail, and Power Gear on the farther outside. Diamond Magic, it's still Diamond Magic, Power Gear on the outside, and Risk Taker by the rail. And nearing the payoff line, the lead is taken over now by Power Gear. And finally, at the payoff line, it's entry number 3, the favorite Power Gear, Risk Taker, Diamond Magic, Charlie Sword, Manila Style, and Andorra.
Yamado sa lahat. Ang unang tumid sa linya, ang numero